Hawu bafethu, hayi kushuthi sekuriski vele manje ukuzipromotela ingoma nje ku-social media, waposta nje, hayi bayaluma. Hayi bafethu, asirespecteni sponsor abantu do please. Kupari hlomphaning bafethu, kupari hlomphaning. Ngomsuthu maybe ngiyasibhimba vele isuthu, mara ngicela sihloniphane. Yazi ngithi ngizipostela ingoma, I'm just promoting my song, my unreleased song last year. How, and then boom, now kuseyalunywa. I don't even understand what's going on. Mara nje poste like a promo nyana so maringoma. And then there's a producer uyayiluma ingoma, so ngiyamfonela ugel locula, ngiyambuza gel kambani manje wayenisebenzisa ama lyrics wethu. Ugel uyangitshela ukuthi hayi, it was not me. The Sfazo said I must sing something about Exami Ajola. Then I'm like, no. But ngithi nginimamelise nje ngike ukukhuluma into eziningi. Okay, bekule vision futhi khona nje nakuma mangascrolla nje back down kuma reel wami khona. I posted this song I think last year. Bekumela ngabe ngidrop last year, but then it was too late ukuthi ngidrop. Mara tsingenzwisi ngoma, yabo. Vision yami le ya last year. Yayizwa le concept ayithi ngiphinde. And then hayi noise bafethu. Angazi ngicela ningiboniseni nani. Or maybe uyimo ngasezwa kahle. But it's fine, hey. Sisekele ipolitiki, sisekele nje umculo yabo uzikhulumele. I'm dropping my version this Friday. See